So, Jelly Rock Gummies are marketed as a daily male performance supplement designed to support energy, stamina, circulation, and vitality. The formula includes ingredients such as L-citrulline, L-carnitine, ginseng, maca, rhodiola, and grapeseed extract, but the marketing makes some claims that deserve a closer look. The biggest thing the marketing doesn't say is that the product isn't proven to deliver dramatic improvements in sexual performance. One Jelly Rock site makes much stronger claims about erection quality and testosterone, while another version mainly describes general support for energy and vitality. I'd also pay attention to the sales tactics. The official-looking site promotes large multi-bottle discounts, says 97% of customers choose 6 bottles, and uses urgency around limited time savings, so don't feel pressured into buying a 6-month supply before you've evaluated the product. So, is Jelly Rock Gummies worth buying? I'd treat it as a supplement with uncertain results rather than a proven solution for erectile or sexual performance problems, and check the exact ingredients, seller, and refund terms before spending your money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.